Hello, I'm Fred Davies with The Wholesome Life, and I wanted to spend just a moment to share with you how to rebuild your back if you have a slipped disc or other back problem. A slipped disc can create quite a painful response from the back as the bulge out one side pushes on a nerve. Well, Dr. Christopher's products actually give all the materials the body needs to rebuild from that herniated or slipped disc. And in brief, these materials are Dr. Christopher's Complete Tissue and Bone massage oil or ointment done on the outside. Also, Dr. Christopher's Complete Tissue and Bone capsules or syrup taken for the inside. And you can use the bulk format of that, which is called BF&C, which stands for bone, flesh, and cartilage, which comes in powder with comfrey in it. The other one that's really important and has multiple reasons for it to be in there is Mullein, M-U-L-L-E-I-N, Mullein. Some people say it Mullein. Mullein has more properties, but I'll mention two very important ones. In addition to being a wonderful pain reliever with no side effects, Mullein creates a slippery, smooth surface on the bone and the cartilage so that the back can finish healing and slide back in place. You can take as much Mullein as you want. With every back rebuild and nerve rebuild, you need a lot of calcium. Dr. Christopher's Herbal Calcium, or I love to take it as a calcium tea, is my favorite. It provides everything the body needs for the calcium that's needed. You can get that in capsules also, or also in liquid. The other optional one is Dr. Christopher's Cayenne Heat Ointment or massage oil. I know that's just a really quick look at what the materials are, and if you're real familiar with how to use those materials, you can just jump right in. If you don't know how to use those materials, or maybe you don't know some of his other principles, you can contact me on our Facebook page, thewholesomelife.info, and just fill out the contact form asking for more information. And I'll be happy to send you the 2-page instructions with some important principles that teach you exactly how to rebuild a back with a bulged disc.